Hey guys, what's up? It's Candace and welcome to today's video. This is going to be fairly quick, but I wanted to bring you all a couple of new products that I've picked up over the last few weeks since Black Friday to be exact, and share them with you. Some of these products are brand new launches, some of them are oldies but goodies, and they are new to me. I know they've been on the market forever, but I still wanted to get my hands on them, so I wanted to share with you all some of the new items that I have received over the last few weeks. So if you want to see what those items are, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're always notified of every future upload. All right guys, let's jump into the video. All right, so first I'm gonna start with the latest releases. So from the newest products to the oldest. So that's the order I'm gonna go in. So this shouldn't be much of a shock to you all because I did do a full review, demo, wear test, whatever you want to call it, on the very first product to launch from this brand, and that is Lunar Beauty. And Lunar Beauty is founded and created by Manny MUA here on YouTube. So if you're not familiar with the brand or Manny, feel free to search, Google, check it out for yourselves. I'll leave a card up here so that you can do that very easily. But Manny launched his Lunar Beauty brand earlier in 2018. He launched with one eyeshadow palette, and since then we really haven't seen anything else from him. And he released a holiday collection, and even though it's not the traditional holiday look and feel, this was his interpretation of a holiday collection. I'm not mad at it. I think that it looks nice. I have not tried it out yet, but that's what I'm doing this video for, is because I want you guys to let me know, of these newer products that I have here, what items do you want to see me try out next? So yeah, he launched with 5 products in this holiday collection. So we have an eyeshadow palette, a highlighter palette, and 2 liquid matte lipsticks and a lip gloss. So I have the palette, the highlighter palette, the eyeshadow palette, 1 liquid matte color, and the lip gloss. So the first one that I'm gonna start with, I guess I'll start with the star of the show, is the color palette, which is the eyeshadow palette. So this is what the packaging looks like. Check that out. It's really sleek, nice. The theme of it, oh, camera come back. Okay, the theme of it is like Greek goddess. So everything's really gold and very like ethereal light. And the packaging looks pretty nice. So here is the packaging. It's got like a large gold foil Medusa head on it, and it's very sleek, like matte black packaging. And on the back, it has Greek Goddess, Lunar Beauty, all of the details about the product in Manny. And y'all, it has a full-size mirror here, which I absolutely love. And then here is the actual palette. Check out these colors, y'all. Like, these look gorgeous. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. Cannot wait to try these out. So all of the names are very like Greek names. So we've got like Harmonia, Selene, Aphrodite, Hera, Cleo, Iris, Nemesis, those types of names. So these colors are fabulous. I don't even want to touch it, but I'm going to. Like this Nemesis color, this like green turquoisey color is really, it's really sticking out at me. Let me just, okay, not bad. It's not as like a bold of a payoff as I thought it would be, but that's okay. So you all let me know if you all want to see me test out this palette, and let's move it right along. So I don't know if you all followed the launch of this holiday collection from Lunar Beauty, but I don't know. It didn't, like, I think the hype was around it, but I don't think that hype actually converted to sales, because I think it took maybe a week, maybe a little less than a week, but it definitely didn't sell out in the first day or two like some other launches that we've had in 2018. But it eventually sold out of the bundles. So he had a bundle deal of all of the products for like $110, $117, something like that. The bundles did sell out in like a day or two. But the other items, I believe, are still available. You just can't get them as a bundle. I think you can get both palettes in a bundle, but just not all of the lip products and the palettes together. So, I don't know. But the reviews online have been very mixed. So, we'll just have to see for ourselves. So this is the highlighting palette. So it looks the exact same. I think it's a smidget smaller. No, it might be the same size. The packaging is the same size, except it is white and gold instead of black and gold. Same mirror up top, and then you get 6 highlighting colors here. Got a little smudge in that one. I guess maybe I did that, but we've got 6 highlighting colors. They all look so beautiful. Hey, let me bring you a little closer. They're absolutely gorgeous. These have names as well. So we've got Harpy, Phoenix, Medusa, Sphinx, Siren, and Muse. So I want to try. Oh, these feel. Oh, that is gorgeous. And that was Sphinx. I hate saying that word. That is gorgeous. Let me get a wipe here so I can wipe my hands off, because I don't want to get anything on this gorgeous white packaging that would just like break my heart. So yeah, so this highlighter palette so far, it's looking pretty on point. Definitely, well, I'm gonna try this out regardless. So this is definitely going in my travel bag next week when we go on an adventure. All right, let's move on. Let me know if you want to see this. All right, the next product item, whatever. This is the Lunar Beauty Brilliant Lip Gloss. And here's what it looks like. The packaging's super cool. It's got like a little diamond in the top up here, gold packaging. And then it's got a nice thick doe foot applicator. I'm just gonna rub it down my hand here. It's really thick. It smells like, I don't know, vanilla, cupcake, something. But it's super high gloss. It's got a little sparkle shimmer to it. I don't mind it. So that's the lip gloss. Definitely, y'all know I love glosses, but I do like a bold red lip too. All right, and the next color is a semi-matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Aphrodite. And yes, it is like a red color. And then, oh, like this applicator is more angled so that you don't have to use a liner when you're applying your, ooh, that's nice. That's a nice red color. So I believe in his review when he did the video launch for these products for the holiday collection, he had mentioned that these are not like ultra matte lipsticks, in the sense they're not going to dry down super like drying, and they're not going to completely dry down matte. They're like a semi matte, so they're going to transfer a little bit, but they're not going to be that bad, but they are going to be long wearing and very moisturizing at the same time. Obviously the color payoff is amazing. I'm really excited about this one. All right, so I think the next is a no-brainer, because any beauty lover, makeup artist, these are staples in your makeup kit, your makeup collection, whatever you have. But the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes, there are several of them now, but one is the Modern Renaissance palette. So I had this on my Christmas list, and my Secret Santa got this for me, so shout out to you, Jessica. And so this is the Modern Renaissance palette. This is an OG classic for Anastasia Beverly Hills, but for some reason I didn't already have it. So here we go. Inside it does come with a mirror up top, and then you've got these gorgeous, just classic colors that to me are never gonna go out of style. You can wear them for multiple seasons, and they're gonna work great for all skin tones. And it does come with a dual-ended brush on the inside there. So I'm really excited to try this out and to have this in my collection. But the most recent launch from Anastasia Beverly Hills was this gorgeous baby. And it is the Sultry palette. Like, is this not gorgeous? Oh, so cute. So, and the packaging is like this brown, like glitter gold packaging too. Like, it's so nice, so nice. So in this one, we get the same thing. You still got the mirror, and then you've got a nice different color palette going on here. Like, it's very nice, it's very neutral. You've got a good variety of mattes, shimmers, and glitter pigments. I think this is really nice. Cannot wait to try it out, so hopefully y'all want to see it. But yeah, this is nice. All right, these next two palettes that I have, these are not new launches, but I did take advantage of the Black Friday, not after Christmas, but it was Black Friday sale that Kat Von D had going on her website, and these palettes were super duper cheap, y'all. I'm talking like 20 bucks or less. Like, they were super cheap. The first is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette, and this is the Shade and Light Glimmer Eye Contour Palette. So here's the packaging, the normal Kat Von D logo font type look, and it's a nice heavy palette. You do get a mirror up top, and then these are the shades. So you've got some contour colors, contour and highlight colors, and then you've got some eyeshadow looks up here. So this is a perfect palette if you're wanting to do a nice smoky look. So it looks like you've got 3 matte shades and the rest are all shimmers. So this is definitely a great palette for just that everyday little, maybe not so dramatic smoky eye, but you can definitely go dramatic with this. So definitely looking to try this one out. And the last one is from Kat Von D as well, and this is the Fetish palette. Y'all, this thing is huge. Like, it's really big. Like, I don't think the camera's probably doing it justice, but it's a really good size. Very different. So it's like a patent leather top, and then it's got some stitching, and that's where it says Fetish, if you can see it. The back of it I really like because it's got these little red boxes where it tells you the name of all of the colors here. And then when you open it up, you get a nice large mirror here, and then you get all of these colors. Now, I know a lot of people don't like pan sizes that are very slim like this, but I don't mind it. But you get a lot of colors. So we see we got 24 shades, y'all. So this is a good palette for sure. You get a nice even of mattes and shimmers. So definitely going to check this one out. All right, guys. Oh, last one. So this isn't an eyeshadow palette or anything. This is a face palette, but Makeup Geek was super huge like a few years ago, and then for some reason they kind of fell off. If you saw some of the recent, you know, My Truth videos here on YouTube from people in the beauty community, then you may have seen the owner of Makeup Geek, her video that she put out, and she kind of addressed a little bit as to why we haven't seen a lot from Makeup Geek in the last year and a half, and why we haven't heard of her brand as much as we used to. So I'll link that video up here if you want to check it out. I know there's been a lot of controversy around that video because according to a lot of really big beauty influencers, they think that some of the information that she put out was false, and that now has put a negative, like, tainted image on them, and it's hurting their business or whatever. So I don't know, I've got mixed emotions about it, but nevertheless, I've always been a fan of Makeup Geek's products. I think she puts out quality products at very affordable prices. The packaging's gorgeous, shipping is super fast, and I mean, I have no reason not to shop. So shortly after that video, I went to the website. I had signed up for an email blast, and there were some discounts, some sales and discounts being offered. So I took advantage of it. So I got a new Makeup Geek Z palette, and inside I filled it with some contour shades. So these actually I got from the imperfection section of the website, where there's something just slightly off about, you know, the packaging or the pan size or something like that. There's a nick in it or something. So these were super cheap. I think they were maybe $5 a piece, and then I paid like 12 bucks for the Z palette, and it's got a nice mirror here, and this is just a nice size compact. It's great for travel, but definitely would recommend you all to check out Makeup Geek if you haven't already. But these are great highlight and contour shades. All right, so I think that's it. So those are all of the new products that I've picked up in the last couple of weeks, months, that I haven't already shown you all and done a tutorial, demo, review, first impressions on. So I would love for y'all to let me know which of these products I've shown you today that you would like to see me to do a first impression and review on. Let me know down in the comment section. Let me know if you like these kind of videos by giving this a thumbs up. And yeah, I think that's it. The next video will be in a couple days, and y'all, little hint, I'll be in a different country, okay? All right, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss an upload from me, your girl, right here. And go ahead and be a super duper good friend and share the link to this video as well as a link to my channel. Share it with everyone you know, friends, family, brothers, aunties, uncles, sisters, cousins, everybody you know, okay? Just share the video so we can grow the debutante family, okay? We're taking over YouTube in 2019, all right? All right, guys, hope you all had a great Christmas, and I hope you all are preparing for a wonderful New Year's. What are your New Year's Eve plans, huh? You might do anything fun? Let me know, because we ain't got a damn thing going on over this way. All right, guys, see you later. Bye.